Amen, amen, nonke. I've just been doing a house cleansing for certain people. I just want to share with you guys, the entities are there. The entities are there. The evil spirits are there, guys. They are alive. That is why God gave us power to eradicate that, right? If somebody cast ama spirits on the next person, the spirits will always be alive. Awafi. The spirits don't die, especially ama spirits amabi. Those spirits will be casted, and then after that they will need a body. Then they will possess this body. Bese uthola ukuthi kulelo khaya lelo there is depression, abantu bayagula, abantu imali iyaphela. So cleanse your space, guys. Cleanse your space, cleanse your houses, because now I've discovered ukuthi the evil spirits possessed one child who was very intelligent, the most intelligent girl, agasai eskolweni. So how is that going to be eradicated? You do the house cleansing. When you do the house cleansing, you cleanse the whole family. After cleansing the whole family, those spirits will leave, because ispiriti umoya, then it goes to possess the next person. Hey, if if it's a family member who was doing that, she or he is going to make sure ukuthi le spirit less usishiyela somebody else, especially spirit sobuthakathi, guys. Kuthiwa thina siyathakatha. Mina me prayer, I was chosen by God. Hey, I was chosen by God. So do your house cleansing. Do your house cleansing. Femba ikaya. Ulifembe ikaya udonse. You sniff all the evil spirits. Zizophuma. Abantwana babe right. Nomndeni uphile kahle. Niyeke ukulahlekelwa. Because if there is evil spirits, you won't be able to hold money. Awavuthe. Thank you so much.